everyone, and welcome to our channel. Today I want to talk to you about a home accessory, or rather a bathroom accessory, that will solve a big problem. You might be wondering what the problem is. We've all been there, right in the middle of a shower, not knowing where to put the shampoo, the shower gel, the conditioner, and we end up placing them on the shower floor. Uncomfortable. Actually, extremely uncomfortable. This is an accessory that will solve this situation for us. Let's take a look at the contents of the box together now. For convenience, I have already opened it, but I want to see it together with you. I missed something. Let's see what my box contains. I know many of you are wondering, but why something like this? You just need to drill into the tiles. Drill into the tiles. And what if a crack starts and ruins everything? Not my bathroom tiles, or what if I drill wrong and cause a leak? Drilling. It's not my job. It doesn't work for me. This is definitely more practical for me. Let's take a look at it together. So, a little note with assembly instructions. Let's put it aside for later. Tray. The packaging. I have to say this time too, this product is very, very good. Trays. 2 trays with perforations and cuts. As you can see, this way the water doesn't get stuck inside, because having water sitting in the trays isn't exactly pleasant. Ours are 2 trays. Both with holes. Okay. And we keep these here. So what do we have? Oh, here they are, my absolutely lovely accessories. To be able to hang it up on the air glass, and note, with some suction cups that attach to the glass of our shower or to the wall. Maybe a bit tight, more on the glass. I would say in this case that it ensures our tray doesn't move on both supports for hanging it up. We have our suction cups then. Also here, very, very well packaged, we have other supports. We'll take a better look at them later. How will it be assembled? That attach to various accessories, always with the suction cups, each accessory. Here we have our support. Hooks. With these hooks, they also already have the little Allen key inside. So it's complete with everything. Also, the little Allen key. That's what it's called, which will help us. In the assembly, to tighten the accessories, be careful. In the box, I also tried these kinds of felt pads, of rubber pads that will be placed in this area to provide protection, where it will actually rest on the glass. But let's take a look at the assembly at this point. Let's take the 2 pieces, and of course, let's keep the suction cups on the same side. Very easy to insert. Let's get its screws inside, and now we're going to assemble it. Okay. We've also mounted the side support, which definitely makes it more stable and keeps the distances. One thing that can't be, unfortunately, probably, but maybe they get hidden, they are screws of 2 different colors, which, in my opinion, are covered by the trays. And now let's attach our trays in. Now let's go, as we said, to attach our trays. Then they are also here. They are definitely easy to attach. Oh, okay. They just slide in and get attached. Perfect. We've mounted the hooks, and this is how it looks. We still find inside what we haven't seen. Other hooks that can be positioned according to our needs, even inside the slots. In short, they can be placed however we think is best. And now let's see it mounted in the shower. And its positioning. And here we are in the bathroom, and let's take a look at its positioning. Here it is. We're going to take it and position it inside our shower enclosure. A slight pressure to make it adhere perfectly. All right, the accessories are in place, and all that's left is to position our products. We can use it lower. Depending on our needs, we can keep them a bit lower or a bit higher. So, here are the side hooks, or rather the ones below. To position other items that we can use inside our shower. Here we go, let's continue positioning our products. Here you can see it from outside the shower, and it's nice to look at. I think you can see it perfectly well. And here it is. Our new shower accessory is all set up. If you liked our video, give it a like, click the bell, and see you in the next video. Bye, everyone.